Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Ines, I love everything AR and VR related, and today it is a special day because it is Do What You Want Wednesday. It's a new series that I just started, so let me know what you think about that. We're gonna do something a bit more different, no tutorial today. I just wanna mess around with the new Photoshop AI tool. I was watching all of these tools a little bit from the sidelines because I didn't have a real use case for them yet. But today when I was sitting in the park with my friend, we started to daydream a little bit of how we would like to change the city that we live in, which is Berlin. I love envisioning a future that is positive, that is green, sustainable. For example, let me just move myself out of the way. This is Berlin, Frankfurter Allee in Friedrichshain. It's a very busy street. We have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 7 lanes that are just for cars, and it's insane how much traffic and noise there is. I decided that I really hate cars. I feel like our cities are designed for cars and not for people. Berlin already had a few petitions to make the street more quiet, and I would really love to see this street change up a bit and leave more space for bicycles and for pedestrians in general. So why not use AI to paint a more positive picture, a more greener picture of the street, and get inspired how that might look like. So come along while I try my best to turn the street into a green jungle paradise. I've never used this before, so I'm very curious how that will work. Blah blah blah, okay. So I will select all of this traffic. Fuck that traffic. Let's type something with the cars, with a beautiful lush park. Okay, let's just try what it does. What? That's not a park. What the fuck? I mean, it looks a bit better already with just a few like messed up cars. Let's try others. Oh, okay. Let's merge these two and do it again. I want this part. Why is there advertisement? Advertisement is another topic that I could like complain about for hours, I think. Our cities could be so beautiful if there's not like constant ads like screaming down at you, but okay, let's take care of the streets first and then maybe I can also change the ads. Okay, maybe we need to be more specific. So I could write something like bushes, a little river, and a bike lane. European style jungle. I don't know if that makes any sense, but let's see what comes out. Hey, that's much better. Didn't really get the perspective completely right, but I really like this. I feel like it's not the mid-journey kind of realism that I kind of expected, to be honest. Like, my feed is full of photorealistic AI generated stuff, so I'm a bit underwhelmed, but I guess this is still beta. Maybe they will like change it a bit. How can we improve this? Keep the perspective? Oh, yeah, I like this. Gravel path. So, yeah, I think I would like this way more than that. Replace with a tree. Interesting. That is not a tree. But okay, I guess I take it. And more big trees. What? What the fuck? No. Why? It brought back the streets? No, 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 no. Delete. That's not what we want. Maybe it's got confused. Because it didn't merge this. Add big trees. Why does it do this? I don't understand. Oh! Okay. Yeah, this is good. Let's give him some feedback. Yeah, this is really nice. I guess we don't need these signs anymore. I like this guy with the really long neck. He's just chilling there. Why does it think that lanterns are trees? That's not how it works. Flowers and greenery on the red balconies. That didn't really work. Okay, I guess that was a fail. Change the sky to a beautiful blue sky. No! It deleted the fancy tower. Damn. Nah, I don't think I can do that. That's a bit too extreme. Subtract from mask. But I'm not sure where it is. Oh, here it is. Aha. Well, still not great. I love these skies, like I love the clouds, but it just looks awful. Maybe I'm not doing it right. I'm pretty happy how this is going, like, this is definitely more my kind of city, I guess. Another idea we had was to change Alexanderplatz, because if you've been there, it's like a concrete desert. I don't know why all the tourists go there. I guess because it's like the towers there and everything, but it's really not a very pretty place to be. Like, look at that. It's just sad. I think it's a good idea to go in and change it up. Okay, I got Alex in here. Hey, that's not bad. I would prefer that. Wow. Oh my god, look at that! That's so pretty! Damn! That's really nice. Aha! Okay. This goes in the right direction, I think. What? What on earth is that? Did I not write photorealistic? What the hell is that? Yeah, no, this is not photorealistic, dude. It looks like a bunch of sheep. Let's do it again. I want to have a forest here. Forest here. It's not a forest, dude. What am I doing wrong? Or is it just that Photoshop AI is not the best right now? Add a bunch of bunnies. Oh my god, what is this? Okay, maybe not a bunch of. Add 5 bunnies. Aww. Okay, I take it, that's great. Love it. This is how you imagine a rooftop garden? What the fuck? It's like placed a airport on top of this building. No, sorry dude, but this didn't work. I think I still have some credits with Dall-E. Like 8. Okay, maybe I can paint something, yeah. Okay, yes, got it. I'm on a trackpad here, so bear with me. let's do that again. A bit more clean. We also already do this because I have limited credits. I should really like buy some, but right now I'm pretty broke, so I can't afford cool AI. Oh my god, these are great. Are these people sitting on the park? I turned the tram into a house. Not bad. This is definitely my favorite. This is a great collage. Well done. It's kind of out of proportion, but I like it. That's cute. Imagine Berlin, Allee, Alexanderplatz. Wow, this is like writing a story. This is crazy. You need to like envision in your head like how you want it to look like and like put it into words. That's actually crazy. Oh, okay. I need subscriptions. Damn it. Alright. How much is it? Can't even pay with PayPal? What is this? Maybe one day I will be able to also use Midjourney. This is my favorite because there's cute bunnies. That was Do What You Want Wednesday. I really wanted to try the Photoshop AI tool. I'm not sure we're there yet, like it still seems to be pretty limited, although I'm not sure that I used it correctly. But now I'm definitely considering getting a Midjourney subscription just because the results there look amazing and I can imagine I will get much better results. Maybe I will do that in next Do What You Want Wednesday. I'm not sure when that's gonna be, but subscribe if you don't want to miss out on that one. Let me know which version would you prefer. Would you like to live in my ideal Berlin area? I really like this idea of taking back the city for the people. I don't know, I just developed a little bit of hate for cars. They just take up so much space. So I would rather see a greener future with some bunnies in the park. Maybe if we keep imagining things, manifesting it, then it will happen one day, eventually. Who knows? Also, let me know what is your favorite AI tool. If you have any tips or tricks how to improve my art, then please feel free to leave a comment and like this video if you want. Stay solarpunk and I see you in the next video. Bye!